This is a 2015 Volkswagen GTI. It's got the little 4-cylinder turbo motor in it. We just removed the rear mufflers. There's a factory OEM muffler, goes single in, it splits out. So you have to put a Y pipe in there and split it out to delete it out to some 2.5-inch pipes. Give it a little rumble to it, and to get a little more sound out of it, took the mid resonator muffler off of it. That big resonator sucks a lot of sound out of it. Should give it some sound. Let's see what it sounds like.